one of the easiest ways I have found is
and do it the way you taught me. Okay, so you're going to come over. This is two people dating. They're going to sit side by side.
Side by side. Hey. Like this, and we come over and we give each other a little kiss. There we go.
That's how I remember.
I like to cut down the center first, and that's because that's where you're going to get your longest strips. I'm just going to go ahead and do the 2.5.
Straight cut.
Yeah, just straight.
That's it.
Once they've kissed.
Yeah.
Once they kissed you.
The rest is history.
I love it.
This is the best way I can explain it, is that you are basically auditioning. You're auditioning to see, does this match up with this? This is my goal. So what do I have to do to get this to go that way? All I have to do is bring this down. I'm going to sew just like that, and then I can bring it out.
You know, I love
now
this.
I have a continuous